Hey everybody, and welcome back to yet another one-day build. As you can see, I'm out in the garage. I'm still working in the garage, getting everything organized and a place and a home for everything. And today's project is going to be kind of redoing and continuing my drill bit storage. Right now I have this cabinet that's by the belt sander and my drill press that has some drill bits in it. I got some new forestry drill bits. I'm just not happy with the way that this all looks. I kind of slapped everything up in there. It's not looking pretty, and I'm just not happy with it. So I got some pine left over from another project that I'm going to use. I have it. Going to cut it down and drill some holes in it and get everything good to go for the forestry drill bits that I got. Very excited about getting these, and going to organize everything and just get it looking better, more professional, and easier to find things when I need things. So first and foremost, got my wood, got my blueprints. Go over to the table saw. I'm going to cut a 30-degree angle on the wood so it angles nicely. I find 30 degrees seems to be the magic number for angling everything and getting it looking good. So I'm going to do that, and then head over to the drill press and start drilling some holes and measuring everything out. So stay tuned and let's go. All right, I have everything all marked out now. Got it all set. There's the one for the bigger one. For the smaller ones, got everything all marked out. The center's marked out. For the holes, ready to go. Gonna drill a 1/2-inch hole now in them. And then that should get the sleeves to sit perfectly in there on a 30-degree angle, like I said. And we're moving along freaking great. Get them drilled and then get them sanded and get them mounted and keep going. So yeah, that's what next step now. Off to the drill press. Well, got the holes all drilled. I put little pilot holes in there for screws that I need to secure it to the wall and to the container, to the cabinet. So I got that all set. Now it's time to break out the sander, get rid of the pencil marks, sand this down, make it look all nice and pretty. And then we're ready for install. So we are moving along. Next up, sanding montage. Alright, so like I said at the beginning of the video, I don't like this at all, so I'm going to rejig the whole thing. Going to take everything out, going to put the new shelves in, going to put these back up, and I'm going to redo the whole thing. So that's what I'm going to do. This is, it's not working. So on with it. My shelves are up, or the holders are up, looking so much better already. I love it. And the stuff's not even up there yet, but it is looking so much better. This is exactly what I wanted. So now time to populate it and get everything in there and organized. And yeah, and then that's it. So we are almost there. Hold on. Well, there we have it. Everything is in there, in its place, and looking absolutely fantastic. And best of all, I got my square, my ruler, my hammer, measuring tape, pencil, marker, and the drill press manual and everything. And everything closes nice and tight, looking sharp. So I'm extremely happy about that. So yeah. That is it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date with everything coming out of this channel. And I will see you guys next video.